Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. I just want to give an update. It's June 9th, Sunday. It's my bi-weekly update. So, got a few remaining indoors. Got this Carmel 7 pot in the big area garden. There's a few little tiny pods on here. This is Starwatch Bonnet from King. It's in a little cracky bottle, and I've got a Kingston Red and a similar setup. So, two chocolate unreapers have been battling aphids, but they're coming back. The Blue Christmas and hogsweed in this cup. And a big patch of falling over holy basil in my wood valve tote, and some more holy basil in this setup where I was doing the grow light test between the two Sansi lights. Of course, it started in the rain as soon as I come out here, but I'll try to show these real quick. This is my F1 cross of my Street Kitchen crossed with Thai Dragon. And a bunch of fruits on there. This is a F1 of my Blue Christmas crossed with Stavros. And I got a lot of fruits. I've harvested quite a few. Here's some that are red. That's a nice looking plant. Here's another Bigelokia. And I've got a few little ones on there. There's a bigger one. And there's a few other small ones forming. This is a Reaper crossed with Moruga F4. And I've got the one pod waiting on it to turn right. That's pretty cool. And this is a Chiltepin Yellow. Got quite a few fruits on there. This is a White Thai, the He&V strain. It looks like it's pretty productive, and I believe these all turn red. But here's one that fell off, and it's ripened to orange so far, but I think these turn red eventually. I haven't tried one yet. This is I believe it's a Gorpion. Yeah, this is a Gorpion. It's looking pretty good. No fruits yet, but it's got some flowers. This is a Carmel 7 pot. And it's been potting up quite a bit. What was there? This one. Looking forward to that one. And this is a Peach 7 pot, and it's got a pepper on there. If I can get it to focus, there we go. And behind it is a fish pepper. Got a few pods on there. This is a bigger one. I'm waiting on these to turn right. This is my Papachito cross. I think Bubblegum 7. It was an accidental cross someone gave me, and I've been growing it out. It's a F3 now. And this is White Buchalokia Weaver strain, and there's I think some pods forming on there. It's Chocolate Goes Jammy. This is my Shishito. I just picked a really nice ripe pod off for seed saving. A lot of really nice looking new growth on it. It's a very productive type of plant. They stay relatively small, but they produce lots of pods. This is one of my hogsweed. This one doesn't look the best, but it's hanging in there. And I got a few turning ripe. They're pretty hot for annuals. This is a Blue Christmas. And this is one of the bigger Blue Christmases I've got. Well, I mean, the other one got probably this, it got at least this big, but this one's really doing well early in the year. And you can see a lot of the color changes these go through. They start out kind of purple like that, and they'll go change to kind of a creamy purple, and then go from there to like an orange. And they eventually turn red. But they're really pretty. I like the leaves too, how the emerging leaves are green. You can see there, and then they turn almost like a black color. That's a really nice ornamental. And the pepper don't really taste that bad either. They got a pretty good heat. Yeah, these are my two Elysium oxide Scotch bonnets. This one had some leaf issues from transplanting, and all this is new growth, so that's looking really good. This is the one from my save seed from last year, and this is one from seed Justin White sent me. So we'll see how they do. It's an orange brain strain from Michael Christensen. Looks good. And this is my daddle from my saved seed last year. A little bit of leaf curl, but it seemed like it did that last year. But I think the plant looks good overall. And this is a C. Chacoense. It's a wild capsicum species. And it's got a bunch of little fruits on there. And this one I'm really looking forward to here is the Chocolabula diem strain, Dave Miner strain. And my seed was from some pods that Batman sent me last year. And it's one of the fastest growing plants I'm growing. And it's got a bunch of little fruits. This looks good. That's another one. They're pretty much all over. They're small at this point, but it's getting pretty loaded up. And this is my Korean gochu. From this seed came from pod Jesus sent me, but his seed originally, I believe, was from Kang Star. But I got some I need to harvest. This is my Bondum Jacques Red. This is a saved seed from a Jesus Rosario pod. And pretty hot. This is one of my chocolate unreapers from, it's an accidental cross from Andrew Whitaker. And it's got a few peppers on there. That guy. Oops. And there's a nice one there. This is like a really, really productive plant. I believe this is F3 or 4. I have to look at my notes. This is a Bigelochia crossed with Sugar Rush Peach. This was a saved seed from Justin White pepper he sent. I really liked it. I'm not sure how stable this is, but I hope the pods are like the one I got. Looks like there's a little bitty one there. This is a hot banana. It's a Bonnie plant. So I didn't start this from seed. I bought it, but it's grown a lot since I got it. I was wanting to make some banana pepper rings, pickle rings. This is Starracha Hornet from King Star. It's some little new growth, these little buds. It's a Starracha bonnet from King. And this is a JT Yellow Tie. It's looking good. It's a Lemon Starburst, another King pepper. Yeah, this is a Kangster Red. Looks like I've got a little baby pod there. And this is the from my accidental cross of Jay's Red Ghost Scorpion with something unknown. And I got a red pod, then I grew that again, and I got yellow pods, and I saved those seeds. So that's what this is, and I almost like the plant got some kind of disease because a lot of the leaves start getting like that, really distorted, and there's no bugs that I can tell. But when I transplanted it, a lot of the new growth is holding its shape okay. So what I've been doing is picking the sickly looking leaves off, and I'm hoping that the plant will get big enough that it can kind of take care of it on its own. It depends on what it is and how, I think, maybe you can have some kind of immunity to whatever's wrong with it. It could be genetic, or I don't really know. But I'm giving it a chance. I'm just going to let it grow and see what happens. This is another white Bucholokia, but it's a different strain from the Weaver. It's what Susan sent me. A guy named Herb. I'm not sure his last name. But it had some kind of issues too, but it's straightening out. Overall, the leaves look okay. Some of them are kind of curled. This is accidental cross Ecuadorian red Ricardo with the pineapple Ricardo, and I grow in two of these. These Susan sent me pods for. They're from the same seed cycle. We got two different phenos. So one was like a tangerine, and the other was chocolate. And this is from the tangerine pheno. And this last one is the berry Amarillo, and you probably remember seeing it before in the little wicking container. And the leaves are really nasty looking and yellow, and it's made a huge comeback since I put it in the bucket out here. So new growth on this looks really good. There's a few little pods left on it. So I think the next wave of pods should be really good on that. So that's so I transplanted these a week before last, so there's still a lot of transplant shock and adjustments going on, and the roots getting established. They're going to see like leaps and bounds in this short of a time, but so far I think the plants are doing well. Nothing I'm worried about at this point. So made pretty drastic changes with the containers. That's something I'm keeping an eye on, but so far they seem to be doing well. A lot of good growth on these since I put them out. So anyway, that's my bi-weekly grow update. I hope you guys like that, and thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.